Good morning. I begin with the first chapter in the textbook. The name of the chapter is Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry. Chemists are interested in knowing how chemical transformations occur. Chemistry plays a central role in science and is often interrelated with other branches of science. Chemical principles are important in diverse areas such as weather pattern, functioning of brain and operation of a computer. Chemical industry is manufacturing fertilizers, alkalis, acids, salts, dyes, polymers, drugs, soaps, detergents, metals, alloys and other inorganic and organic chemicals including new materials contribute in a big way to the national economy. Chemistry plays an important role in meeting human needs for food, health, care products and other materials aimed at improving the quality of life. Thus, chemistry deals with the composition, structure and properties of matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. This matter is classified in three ways: solid, liquid and gas. At the macroscopic level, matter can be classified as mixture or pure substances. Pure substances have characteristics different from the mixtures. They have fixed composition, whereas mixtures may contain the components in any ratio and their composition is variable. Pure substance can be further classified into elements and compounds. An element consists of only one type of particle. These particles may be atoms or molecules. When two or more atoms of different elements or the same element combine, the molecule forms a compound. A mixture is classified into homogeneous or heterogeneous. In a homogeneous mixture, the components completely mix with each other and the composition is uniform throughout. Example, air. On the other hand, in the heterogeneous mixture, the composition is not uniform throughout and sometimes the different components can be observed. A mixture can be separated by using physical methods, whereas we cannot separate a pure substance. Properties of matter can be classified in two ways: physical properties and chemical properties. In the physical property, there is no change in the identity of the substance. Example, melting point. Whereas in the chemical property, a chemical change occurs. Example, combustion. Certain properties are quantitative in nature. Quantitative are those observations or measurement, the result of which is represented by a number followed by a unit. Altogether, there are 7 fundamental properties. You all are familiar with all the 7 fundamental properties, and the units of those fundamental properties can also be represented in the SI form. For example, temperature is a physical quantity which is fundamental. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, represented by the symbol K. There are two other scales which are used to measure temperature. The Celsius scale, the relation between Celsius and Kelvin is K is equal to degree Celsius plus 273.15. Then another scale called the Fahrenheit scale, where the relation is degree F is equal to 9 by 5 degree Celsius plus 32.